Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Fiji? The average annual gross salary is 4,250 US dollars. That is roughly 354 US dollars each month before tax. After tax, the average net salary is 4,165 US dollars per year, or roughly 347 US dollars per month. In Suva, the gross salary is higher at 4,378 US dollars annually. That is roughly 365 US dollars each month. The net salary there is 4,290 US dollars per year, or roughly 358 US dollars monthly. Cleaners with more experience, extra duties, or night shifts may earn more. Hotel and industrial cleaning can also pay differently from basic office work. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.